Twosome travelers, it's a new day and we are back with a new vlog. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our videos which we post every Saturday, so that you get to travel the whole world with us.
So today we will be traveling from Larnaca to Paphos. So that's around 70 to 80 kilometers from here, and we'll be taking the intercity buses that operate here in Cyprus.
Now let's get to the details of the bus. If you're traveling from Decalia area, then you need to get a hold of bus 425 or 424 that goes to Larnaca bus station, basically from where all your connections will be. To be precise, intercity buses run from Finicode or Larnaca Marina, which is near to the bus station. So take bus 424 if you want to avoid the brisk walk of 5 minutes, as it will directly go to Finicode. We are first going to Limassol and it's €4 per person, and from Limassol again to Pafos we will have to get a separate ticket. We are at the Limassol and now we will be heading towards Pafos. For that we need to get a separate ticket. So inside the bus we don't need to get down, and this is the Limassol mode. We got the tickets again for €4 each. We are here in Pafos. Now we need to go to our accommodation where we are staying. We are staying in an Airbnb. Uber does not work here, only Bolt. So, oh, there is another app. That is?
Cab CY.
Cab CY is the another cab app that you can download, but there are no cabs absolutely. So we are walking. It's almost 2 kilometers from here.
There might be some public buses, but we don't know how it works, like what's the route, etc.
Look at this. Speed dating for singles. You can just grab a ticket and go to this place. Now we are at the harbour. After searching for the accommodation, we were there, we got freshened up, rested for a while, slept for a while, and by the time it got late, so now it's the evening, all the museums and all the like forts and everything got closed. So the only thing that is open now is the souvenir shops, restaurants by the beach. So we will be checking out the harbour today. So let's go. We took a cab and came to the harbour. So while we were coming, we were having a chit chat with the driver, and he asked, "Where are you from?" We said India. So he was like, "Oh wow, India, that's a long distance. So from India you came to Cyprus. That's nice. We have seen the movie Sholay, the Mehbooba song, all that thing." And then suddenly he said that, "Okay, don't worry. Cyprus is a very safe country. Like no matter whenever you go out at night, it's safe. You don't have to worry."
ইন্ডিয়ার ইমেজ এরমই হয়ে গেছে, মানে লোকজন বলছে it is not safe, etc.
Paphos port is one of the oldest ports in Cyprus, located on the southwest coast of the island. It was built back in 320 BC by King Nicoclus, the last king of Paphos. These days, the beach next to the port is packed with both tourists and locals. The nightlife is buzzing, the sidewalks are always lively, filled with people enjoying delicious traditional fish dishes and drinks. There are also boat trips and mini cruises available, and if you can, don't miss out on a day trip to Akamas and the Blue Lagoon. It's an amazing experience where you can explore the lagoon by boat, check out the land, and just relax on the water. Stay tuned for more on that in our upcoming videos. Paphos Port is definitely one of the coolest spots in Cyprus, and you really should check it out to soak in all the vibes it has to offer. Whether it's bright and early or late at night, there's always something happening here. You can watch fishermen with their fresh catch stroll along the beach or grab a bite and a drink. Trust me, you're bound to have a blast. This area is a very good option to chill out in the evening. There are a lot of posh restaurants and budget-friendly options as well, and especially fishes, the Mediterranean seafood, everything. Hopefully we will check out something here. We are seeing a lot of souvenir shops here. It's not that expensive. It's actually budget friendly. So and you know, it's really very cute. Literally I feel like buying so many stuffs from here.
What color? Pink? pink את רוצה איזה? או שאת רוצה את הסגול? איזה?
We do see stuffs like this in Indian melas. So it's like that. We have taken ice creams. This is green apple flavor and Rohit is holding coconut flavor. Each one for €2. So I got a sponge. So it is like plants under the sea. So you can put your face wash or creams on it and then you can just put it on your face. I don't know, it's a new thing, so got it. One for €4, three for €10. So let me try first with one, then we'll see if I can get some more.
This is a very new thing that we are seeing here. So all these are different kind of chains and they will just cut it out and give it to you.
We are here to have our dinner and we will be having something which I will show you. This is going to be our dinner. By the way, this is chicken wings and this is plank salmon. And this is avocado prawns. Yeah, this is avocado prawns, plank salmon and chicken wings for our dinner and Blue Lagoon cocktail. This is our bill. It's total €40. The time right now is 10:49 exactly and all the shops are getting closed. We were just looking for some souvenirs but we just took something just jaldi and now we are thinking what to do. Shall we go back or just walk here a bit more, because tomorrow again early in the morning we have a trip, kind of a day trip, so for that we will have to be ready. And that is going to be all for today's video. We don't have anything much to do here. The time is 11 PM now. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.